Hello everyone. Thank you for joining us for our Back to Nature Friday program. My name is Dawn, and I'm going to share with you how to make a fall-themed wreath to decorate your home and bring some of the outside in. It's a great project to do right now since you can find so many inspiring samples like this one just outside in your yard or on a nature walk. So let's get started.
First, let's take a look at the supplies we'll need. A piece of cardboard for the backing of the wreath, pencil, scissors or utility knife, and I'm going to use hot glue for this activity. If you don't have a hot glue gun, you could also try rubber cement or another heavier craft adhesive. You'll need a thick adhesive to make the branches and leaves stick to your cardboard backdrop. And then of course, our nature items. If you can find evergreen branches, leaves, pine cones, dried flowers, greenery, select sturdier items that won't wilt right away. And you can gather these from your yard or if you go out on a nature walk. The first step is to draw the wreath backing on the cardboard. This will be a donut shape, so you'll need to draw 2 concentric circles. You can freehand this if you feel comfortable, or you can use some props to help you. I'm going to make a little wreath to go around this candle holder. So I'm going to use it to draw the center part of the donut. That will be the backing for the wreath. And then I'll use a bowl for the outer circle. Once we've got the circles drawn on, we can cut along the lines with a scissors or utility knife. I've got the wreath backing cut out and even made a few extra rings to make other items later. So this is the one I'm going to start with that will go around the candle holder. Now I'm going to start adding on the natural elements I've collected from outside with the hot glue gun. And I'm going to layer them on until the cardboard is pretty well covered. Do remember that hot glue guns are hot, so be careful. There, my wreath is done. Now I'll just fit the candle holder inside and voila, I've got a lovely nature-themed decoration.
Well, that's our wreath craft for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to leave any questions you have in the comments and send us a picture online of the designs that you make at home. I would love to see them. Thank you again for joining us for Back to Nature Friday, and we'll see you in our next activity.